My name is Ana Rohdiana. I am an English teacher in SMP Negeri Unggulan Sindang, Kabupaten Indramayu, Jawa Barat. Since March 2020, the case of coronavirus disease, or known as COVID-19, has become a global pandemic. According to UNESCO, schools are closed in about 100 countries due to a public health emergency, including Indonesia. This condition makes every country work hard to find student solution to keep learning and fulfill their educational right. Many countries have put numerous estimates about what learners have lost due to school closure and remote learning during the pandemic. Therefore, PTM began to be implemented gradually in Indonesia. Face-to-face learning can be carried out with the following requirements. The students who can do face-to-face learning are those who have been vaccinated and have parental permission. Furthermore, the education agency will conduct regular monitoring. For face-to-face learning, schools are also required to follow regulation regarding class capacity, air circulation, study duration, availability of facilities, completeness of COVID-19 vaccination for teachers and school officers. Unfortunately, there are many areas in developing countries such as Indonesia which still don't have good internet connection and no good technology provided. The limited facilities provided by the school and the limited access of internet connection in Indonesia becomes the biggest problem that may disturb the use of digital game when online teaching. For the solution, digital game Si Belmi. This game is offline game. After the student download it from Play Store, and it supports student communicative competence and increase their speaking skill. Digital game Si Belmi support teaching genre text like descriptive, narrative, recon, and procedure text. Digital game Si Belmi is proven to be effective for improving the speaking skill. This can be seen from the student learning outcomes, which have increased significantly. Digital game Si Belmi minimize the burden of the student and their family in pandemic situation because it is low cost, offline game, stimulate their cognitive, effective, triggering the brain and emotion to critically solve the problem.
I think digital game Si Belmi is very useful and easy to use. It is offline game, so I can use it every day, anywhere, anytime to practice my English. I felt enjoy in studying English and more confidence in speaking and increase my speaking ability.
Digital game Si Belmi now available in Google Play Store. You can download now.